What's up everybody, welcome back to my kitchen, and today we're going to put to the test 5 more kitchen gadgets. Let's see what I got this time. For the first gadget we got here Shiriga 2000. This is a leek chopper or whatever this called. Looks like a green onion but it's not. So let's chop them up like this and we'll see what this gadget does. So what we're going to do, install one of these things, like a finger guard, because safety is #1 priority. Let's see if this leek will fit. And which way do we spin? I think I was spinning it the wrong way. Oh well. First time always a fail because it's all in a different language. Oh wow, check this out. Let me pull this out all the way. Maybe I should spin it all the way down. Wow, check this out. Okay, one more time now that I know which way I'm supposed to spin it. Wow, just pulling it. I don't even have to push it in. Wow, that's so cool. Looks like the rest you just have to pull it out. And look at that. It slices up all that stuff. Very, very thin. And even a little bit closer view. That's a thick one. You don't even have to push it. Just hold the machine. Boom. Wow, that is so satisfying. And one last one. Push it in. Once it's grabbed on, it'll just cut it all the way through. How cool is that? Boom. For the next gadget, I got here a spiralizer with a super sharp blade over here. You gotta be super careful. So hopefully it comes off, and yep, going to hold up over there. I'll put apple through all the way through the middle. Okay, looks like it's best to keep the cover on before you install whatever you're trying to chop up. Okay, and then we just slice it. Oh wow, look how awesome that is. This is the most simpler but the best, whatever you call that, I forgot, sheet slicer. Okay, and boom, look at that apple. And obviously you can do it with anything, cucumber, potato, some Asian food probably would work well. Okay, it locks in. I would put the cover back on and keep it on. So then I would remove this in case it closes by mistake. It doesn't close on your fingers. Boom. Let's do another apple. Okay, let's try it one more time. Probably best to make a hole, so that way it's easier to push it all the way through. Lift it up, press it here, and then spin it. How amazing is that? I don't even know which video thumbnail should I do first, because every little gadget right here is the best today. Wow. First one was the best. I'm failing a little bit. But yeah, as you can see, it works really well. Okay, I think I figured that out how to do it. You wanna set it up, whatever you're gonna chop, like that. Try to keep it even. Push it all the way through. Then you really wanna put it all the way through, like in over here. Because if you don't, it's not gonna work as well. Then put this through, lock it in, and this is good enough. Lift it, close it. And with the apples, it works so well. This is just amazing. Look at that. Oops. Came off a little bit. Wow. Okay, remove that. Lock this in. Be careful. Don't cut yourself. Remove that. Wash it in the washing machine. Ready to use for the next time. And let's see what we got here. Very nice pieces right here. For this gadget I got here 4 microwave egg boiler. So let's see if it actually works. I have put to the test single egg before. It worked kind of okay. Some of them don't work. So looks like straightforward. You add to this water line, you see it? And then we're gonna put 4 eggs over here. Stand them up. Okay, we added our water. Stick this in. Whoa, look at that. Aluminum over here as well, or some kind of material in there. And let's see how long we microwave it for. 5 to 7 minutes for soft boil, 8 to 10 hard boil. Simple as that. I like soft boil, so we'll do about 6.5 minutes. Okay, stick it in the microwave. Looks like a giant ostrich egg. And what did I say? 6 minutes 30 seconds start. Okay, doesn't look like it's sparking or anything. Let's see what happens. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. This is gonna be probably super hot. Oh yeah, this is almost untouchable. So make sure you grab one of these gloves things, remove it. Let's see what happened to the eggs. Woo, this is so hot. I probably should run it from on a cold water so that way they peel faster. By the way, pretty much we're steaming the eggs. So cool. Okay, let's see how these eggs are doing. Nice. Could have been running a little bit longer. That's way too soft for my likeness. But still, did pretty good, don't you guys think? Obviously, 9 to 10 minutes will do it. Cut it in half. Again, very, very soft boil, just like they said. Quick taste test. Delicious. Let's see how well they're going to peel. Wow, they peel so good. So steaming eggs is a good idea because another bonus, it will peel pretty good for you. For the next gadget, we have here another chopper, cutter, slicer, sterilizer, pretty much everything in one. Usually I do not like them whenever they stack up all these different attachments because it's really hard to store them. Couple sterilizers, cool. I don't ever sterilize anything. What I'm really curious about is the chopper, like onion type of chopper. Whoa, look at that. The only thing we need to replace for the onion chopper is one of these. And this is gonna go under here. Okay, let's try this. I have here 2 onions. Put it in. Punch it. Oh, kinda got stuck. Didn't expect that. Okay, not too bad. Unstuck pretty good. 2. Okay, it's not stucking anymore. 3, 4. And check this out, perfect cubes. Wow, this is definitely very powerful, probably my second favorite onion slicer right here. And it does a lot of other things. So thumbs up for me for this gadget. For the next gadget, I have here a very strange whisker. Let's see if it's any better than the original one. We're simply going to do flour and water just to see how it's gonna mix up all these little pieces. That's pretty nice. Kind of better almost because it's not so bulky, but still have this heavy balls at the end there, and it mixing it really well. Wow, I kind of prefer this a lot better because you can go much faster and it's not so thick. You can do it in the smaller balls super quickly. Let's pull more flour just to check it out how it works. Making a mess over here. Oh well. Look at that, this is cool. I like it. I could really go fast. And look at that, that's like almost like pancake butter over here. So yeah, no time, quick, easy, and don't have to worry about having the thick ball and not be able to mix it really fast inside of a tiny bowl. I like this whisker a lot actually. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below which gadget was your favorite. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.